Hi everybody, thanks for joining us. I want to talk today about those students that are disengaged in your room. I'm assuming you have some. Maybe you're listening to this video and you're thinking, Kathy, I don't have a single disengaged student. Well, to you, good, but I doubt that's true. So I want to talk about that student that just seems to be a little bit more shy, a little bit more reserved. They are the polar opposites of the me, the ones that just like to hear ourselves talk. How do you, especially when you're doing whole group instruction and you're doing some discussion, how do you get them to be more engaged? So I want to give you a strategy that was a game changer for me that actually one of my quiet friends taught me. And she said, when Miss So-and-so does this, that's why I participate. Because I asked her one time at lunch, why is it you always participate in her room, but you don't participate in, and she told me this strategy. So now I'm going to steal it and tell you. She said, whenever the teacher asks her questions, she does really, now she didn't know at the time it was called wait time, but I'm telling you now as an educator, it's called wait time. She never allowed, she said, do you remember how she tells us all the time, don't put our hands up? And I thought, yeah. And she said, so I really feel like she cares about what I think. When teachers ask a question and they immediately just let kids' hands fly in the air, she said, I never felt like they really cared what I thought and therefore I didn't answer. Somebody faster, smarter, prettier, whatever story she's got in her head is going to answer that question quicker. And I remembered that when I began teaching. And I remember early on, before I knew what the word wait time meant, that I just started doing that. I would ask a question and then tell students, don't raise your hands. Don't raise your hands. As a matter of fact, I just called on students. I didn't call on students who raised their hands. And it was a game changer for me. Because what kids learned very early on was, first of all, I'm going to make all of you be engaged, whether you're shy or you're not shy. And secondly, I value that some of you are processors. It just takes you longer to come up with a response. And some of us think on our feet. So try that. Try having your students, I don't care if they're littles all the way up to high schools. When you ask a question, no one raises their hand. They just wait and then you call on students. Try it, see how it works. I can't wait to hear. Don't forget to share your comment because I can't wait to hear how it works for you. Have a good day, everybody, and thanks for what you do.